You know?
Sick with it.
It's the Magic City, baby.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DM. Yeah, I do. Hold up. Holy shit, I got a kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can see the N-word. Wait, can I really see the N-word? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga. We are my nigga. You pussy ass nigga. Man, fuck y'all niggas. Cause I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari and I'm like skin black.
Senegal, West Africa to New Zealand. Blessed to have the gift to make music with meaning. Cause I never thought I'd come this far with a mansion and a fancy car. Never thought success would come this quick in the beginning. But I've seen it. When you hear them calling out Akon, let them keep on calling. When you hear the world calling out P-Money, let them keep on calling. Cause we went through hell and back to get here, so keep on calling. Let me hear you now, let me hear you now, let me hear you just keep on calling. Keep on calling, keep on calling, just keep on calling, keep on calling, just keep on calling, keep on calling, just keep on calling, keep on calling.
Now, back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Now stop. Oh, then wiggle with it. Yeah. Stop. Oh, then wiggle with it. Yeah. Stop. Oh, then wiggle with it. Yeah. Stop. Oh, then wiggle with it. 369. Damn good. Would you just sing it to me one more time and roll? Get low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Get low.
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.
Wait, what the fuck?
And now I'm in Ed Sheeran's body. It's way less cool than being Chris Brown was.
What the fuck again?
I'm DJ Khaled. Why am I yelling?
I'm Kendall Jenner. I got a vagina. I'm gonna explore that right now. Holy shit, I got a vagina. I'm gonna learn.